this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something from a ramen trunk box from Japan. And what's in it? This. Oh, shush, microwave. This is I can't remember the brand name, but it's Okinawa Soba. So, yeah. Let's get to it. We'll start with these wonderful noodles. 4 minutes. 4 minutes on the boil. And we don't need to leave that seasoning in there. That's what we call the desiccant. So there we go. And there we go. Yeah. So we have like the most cheerful microwave in the universe. It's what is it? It's an LG. And I guess some DJ comes up with the little tunes that it does. Don't boil over, you piece of... There you go. Anyways, if you're looking at the post for this, there'll be info about how to get yourself a ramen trunk of your very own. Here's the soup base. Pork and bonito. That little stirrup. It's like the easiest way to do it. You just microwave water till it's like violently hot and just drop the base in it. Yeah, that's gonna be good. And then set aside accordingly. So this has to boil for 4 minutes. So what are we gonna do? Well, let me look here. I made 219 grams of chicken. So we just go boneless. Sorry, I can't, if I forget, then I'm like gonna lose my mind. And then barbecue pork. And I've enjoyed 10 grams. There we go. That's what I do. I enter all that crap in, and at the end I try to stay at 1,200 calories or lower. Or no. I try to hit 1,200 calories. It won't count. It won't count your day if you go below that. That's like, it flips out. It says, you can't safely lose weight doing that little eating. You have to eat food and blah, 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 blah. It's like, okay. I'll be honest. There have been days that I've just been like, you really want me to eat like 80 more calories? I'm good. I'll just like fake it. And you just got to quick add calories, then you can fake it. But it's like, I understand, you gotta eat. So, we got what? 40 seconds left. Man, is 40 seconds enough for these tickets? Maybe. I just want them to go away. They go away, then they come back, and then they pile up, and it's just like a little thing that feels like you have to do it. Garbage. I'll probably end up having to go to Safeway again tonight for something. Do more walking. I had to go there this morning to get stuff for actually this review. Garbage. And... Alright, let's see. Come on, garbage. Come on, something not to hold on to. I don't need more stuff. Yeah, cool. But I mean, you could win something decent. But it's like... with very, very little effort, you could get something really nice out of the deal. And it's like, oh, I have to... Yeah, but... Alright. So let's drain this. Drop it in. There's your noodles. Pretty thick. Alright. So now with our noodles done, we're gonna build them. Build them! Yeah! Somebody asked me in the comments on YouTube the other day, dude, are you stoned? I'm like, no. This is just me, sorry. I'm gonna dump the broth in. I don't know, there's something liberating about the fact that I'm like behind a camera. Nobody's really... I know there's people that are gonna see this, but I don't have like an audience in my face right now. I think I'd have trouble being myself in front of a larger studio audience. Stay like that? Perfect. Okay. Alright, so now I gotta taste it. Or this whole thing will be for nothing. Look at those noodles. They're super thick. Okinawa Soba. Supposed to be like a pork and bonito broth. It's light. It's not bland, but it's light. And I looked at everything and I was thinking like, oh, slap eggs in it. No. I didn't see anywhere with people putting eggs in this stuff. So one thing they did put is pork. Not this exact kind of pork, obviously. But pork. And fish cake. And I thin sliced a little fish cake here. Just had it laying around, you know. I've got fish cake laying around. Somebody asked me about doing a new garnish list, and I think I might just have to do that. There's so many different things that I use these days that it's like, okay. So, I mean, the whole point of having a cooking show is so if you really want to try doing what I'm doing, you can. And I've been derelict in my duty. Maybe. I don't know. Have I? Tell me if I have. I apologize. I don't know what I'll do for you, but I know I'll make a new garnish list. Yeah. I'll throw some of these right there, haphazardly. I'm in the haphazard mood today. And finally, no, not finally. Spring onion right here. And oddly enough, another accompaniment is, these are all like things normally people would put on this stuff, so Kizami shoga. That's pickled ginger. I think I'm gonna go with some sesame seed. It just seems like a good fit. And some togarashi. No, wait. It says it's just red pepper. I don't know, but I'm gonna use it. There we go. Cool. Well, shall we take a spin? Make sure everything's all somewhat centered. Come on. There you go. All right, well, cool. That was fun, and yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm just doing 2 bowls today. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out theramenraider.com and thechocolatebreak.com. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye.